They're called foot valves. Very, very important. These are what goes on the bottom of a shallow well or a jet pump, submersible well pump. And so you can see the two things we need to accomplish is screening it so we don't get debris inside the water system. And then there's a check valve right there that holds that pressure because we're dealing with a vacuum. A lot of pumps do a lot of different things we call flooded suction. But when we're dealing with shallow well and jet pumps, we're using suction to lift that water. Why is that so difficult? Because the suction can only be held to 33.9 feet. How do we know that? Well, let's see. Atmospheric pressure is 14.7. Everybody knows that. 1 pound of pressure is 2.3 feet. So if we multiply 2.31 times 14.7, it's 33.9. And we're talking about shallow well pumps because we take off friction and wear and slag. That's why every shallow well pump is going to be 25 feet and below. We can only go to 35 feet. There's a thing called a barometric loop. Barometric loops in the code book are 35 feet. Why? Because it's above what a vacuum can be held. And if you need any help with this stuff, call the shop, hook you up.